Welcome to Soundtrack Jamaica, where significant changes in a phenomenal music history are connected to some of the country's turning points and critical developments. We take you decade by decade in words, song, dance, pictures, and video on a unique journey through mento, ska, rocksteady, reggae, dub poetry, and of course, dancehall, all illustrated by the RJR Gleaner Communications Group's unmatched archives. Today, we celebrate a period when the music video was not even a thought, and enjoying the songs was a live audio-visual experience at the entertainment venues. Patrons could see a trumpeter take a solo and enjoy the pianist's fingers dancing on the keys, and they had many to see, as there were an estimated 20 to 25 bands of various sizes operating throughout Jamaica's capital. Among the more popular outfits were the Eric Dean's Orchestra with Ernie Ranglin, the Jamaica All-Stars, Sonny Bradshaw 7, the Caribs, and Val Bennett's band. There were some excellent musicians, including trombonist Don Drummond, trumpeter Edward Tanton Thornton, and saxophonist Tommy McCook, coming out of the Alpha Boys School, where Sister Mary Ignatius was influential in the music program, which, by the way, had started from as far back as 1892. That tradition of outstanding musicianship has been maintained in Jamaica, and our performers will revisit some of the nightclub favorites during the post-war era.